This video will cover how to add content and links to your Google Doc. Now we are going to add some content to the Google Doc that we created in the first video. We're going to add these titles, which is what you'll learn about in the next video for the web quest, to this Google Doc. So we'll just type in the first line, title and introduction. And as you'll see, you can type right in the document just like you would a Word doc. If you wanted to paste into it, I'll show you how that's a little different than with a Word doc. We'll right click and we'll go ahead and copy this and right click, copy, and then we're just going to paste the whole thing here instead of that. So we'll highlight that, right click, and this is not going to work in this kind of document by just click and paste. As you'll see when you do that, it tells you what to do copy, cut, or paste. So we're going to do this Control plus the V, and so we'll do that, and that pastes this entire thing over here into the Google Doc. Alright, so this is your basis for your web quest. Let's go ahead and put web quest in the center at the top. Alright, so you can just click in between here and add content as needed. Okay, now we're going to just quickly review how to type text in for the web quest, how to paste it in, and then we'll do a hyperlink and add an image. First, let's enter some text into the document. We're going to go ahead and enter the title, and we're going to call it Why is the Ocean Blue? Okay, so that's how you enter text into the document. It's very simple, just like a Word document. You just type right into it. After you type something into it or enter something into it, it's automatically saved. Next, we're going to paste some text into the document just so you can see how that's done again. We're going to go to the website again as our sample, and let's just copy this text here, which of course if you take anything from a website, you're going to cite that information in your web quest. So go back to the Google Doc, and let's just, like I said, if we right click on it and paste, we went over that in the last video. You can't do that in the Google Doc, but you can do the Control V button. So that's what we will do. And that pastes your information in there. I don't want that text that big, so I'm going to highlight it and come up here and change the font size and take the bold off of it. Okay, so that is how you paste text into the Google Doc. That will come in handy if you decide to type up your web quest into a Word document on your computer and then you want to paste it in later into the Google document. Or you can just type it right in as you go, just like we did for this first line. Now we're going to hypertext link some of this text so that whatever we highlight will take you to a web page. I'm going to highlight this title here, and then we want to link that back to the web page that we found before. Why is the ocean blue? So we're going to go to that web page, and we're going to right click in the address bar to copy the address. Click on the copy button and go back to your Google Doc. Now this is already highlighted, so this is what will turn into a link. We're going to click on the insert button, and you can click on the link button, but you also could do it by coming up here to this link symbol, which is what we're going to do in this case. Click on that. That will bring you up a box where you can paste in that link that you copied, that web address. In this case, for this box, it will let you right click and paste. So we'll do that. And then click on the apply button. And as you see, that turned that title into a hyperlink so that you can click on it to go to this website. So let's do that. We're going to click on it and it will pop up the website here. We'll click on that and that will automatically take us to the website. So that is how you do a hypertext link to a website for your web quest. Next, we're going to enter an image into the Google document. Let's go ahead and click under Task. That's where I'm going to put this image. And what we're going to do to enter the picture here is we're going to click on the Insert button and then click on the Image button. Now, you can take a snapshot yourself. You can go put in a URL, which is a web address. You can get it from your own albums. You can get it from your Google Drive if you have photos saved there. And you can do a search online. This blue button right here takes you directly to your computer to select a picture. Now, I've already pre-saved a picture into my folder that is a picture that I took, so there's no copyright infringement. We're going to click on that and we're going to click Open. And that's going to upload the image right into the Google document. Now, as you can see, that's a very large picture. If you don't want it to be that large, you can click on it and it will highlight these blue markers on the sides and corners. You just put your cursor over that corner, click on it, and drag it up. You can make it large or small, whatever size you want. We'll just go to about there. And then you just let go of it. Now, after you do that, it has resized it, and if you want this text under it to stay here, then you just leave it there. But if you want it to come over here to the side of the picture, you would click on Wrap Text. And you'll see how it pops up to the side. I would like it to be under, so I'm going to click back on Break Text. And then you just click in the white space to deselect the photo. So that is how you enter an image into the Google Doc.